how to quickly set up cell validation in Excel. So if you have a cell that you want to have a drop-down list of options that can fill it, such as A1 here, what you can go ahead and do is add some validation. So to do this, go ahead up on the top in the toolbar and select on Data. And then from here, go ahead and go over to the Data Tools. And there's a little section here called Data Validation. Usually it's a little box with a green check mark and then a little box with a little red circle with a slash through it. Just go ahead and select on that. Okay, it'll then pull up the data validation setup. Okay, from here what you can go ahead and do is select the allow box, and what you want to do is put in a list. Okay, so we'll go ahead and select on list, and then you can either have cells already filled in with different variables or names that you want to fill it in with, or what you can do is you can just put in, let's say I want, let's do different kind of balls. So I'll do soccer, baseball, basketball. Okay. Okay, so those are the different options I want. What you can do is you can put that in a comma separated value list. Okay, so it's soccer, comma, space, baseball, comma, space, basketball. Or like I said before, you can just select a range of cells that you already have pre-populated with what you want to fill in. Go ahead and select OK. And now if you go over to cell A1, there's going to be a little drop down option here. If you select on that, it will then give you those different options that you can use to pre-populate it. And so that is how you quickly set up validation with a combo box / list for a cell in Excel.